439. Writing practice drill number 1. 440. Writing practice drill number 2. 444. Writing practice drill number 3. 445. Writing practice drill number 4. 446. Writing practice drill number 5. 447. 18. Writing practice answers and explanations. 449. Writing practice drill number 1. 450. Writing practice drill number 2. 453. Writing practice drill number 3. 455. Writing practice drill number 4. 457. Writing practice drill number 5. 459. V. Contents Part 4. Taking a practice test. 463. Evaluating your performance. 464. What now? 465. 19. TOEFL IBT practice test. 467. The reading section. 468. The listening section. 515. The speaking section. 545. The writing section. 554. 20. Practice test answer key. 561. 21. Practice test answers and explanations. 563. The reading section. 564. The listening section. 573. The speaking section. Sample responses. 587. The writing section. Sample responses. 593. Content 6 Part 1 Orientation. 1 Introduction. Chapter 1 Introduction. Welcome to the Princeton Review's thorough test preparation guide for the test of English as a foreign language TOEFL. In this book, you will find everything you need to prepare for the TOEFL, information on the test format, test-taking strategies, practice drills, and, of course, a full-length practice exam. Part 1 of this book gives a brief outline of how the test is organized.